Welcome! In today's video, we're diving deep into the transformative power of artificial intelligence in the world of DevOps. We'll explore how AI is revolutionizing CI/CD pipelines, automating infrastructure as code, and fundamentally changing the way software is built, tested, and deployed. Whether you're a seasoned DevOps engineer, a software developer, or simply curious about the future of technology, this video will provide valuable insights and practical strategies. We'll cover the key concepts, demonstrate real-world examples, and discuss the challenges and opportunities that AI presents to the DevOps landscape. Before we delve into AI, let's quickly recap the fundamentals. DevOps, a culture and set of practices that aim to automate and integrate the processes between software development and IT teams. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. An automated pipeline for building, testing, and deploying software changes. IAC, infrastructure as code, managing and provisioning infrastructure through code rather than manual processes. These practices are crucial for modern software development, enabling faster releases, improved quality, and increased efficiency. Now let's introduce AI into the equation. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical tool that's transforming every aspect of DevOps. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, automate repetitive tasks, and make intelligent decisions, all of which have profound implications for DevOps. This is more than just incremental improvement. It's a paradigm shift that is fundamentally changing the way software is developed and deployed. Let's start with CI/CD. AI is enhancing every stage of the pipeline, from code analysis to automated testing to release management. AI-powered code. Analysis. AI tools can automatically analyze code for bugs, vulnerabilities, and style issues, providing developers with instant feedback and reducing the risk of errors. Automated testing. AI can generate test cases, prioritize tests based on risk, and even self-heal tests when the application changes. Predictive failure analysis. AI can predict potential failures in the pipeline before they occur, allowing teams to proactively address issues and prevent downtime. Intelligent release management. AI can optimize release schedules, automate rollbacks, and even personalize releases based on user behavior.